Alright, guys. So the time is here. iPad is here. Let's go. So now we are going to get a haircut. Like, look at his hair. Look at mine. It looks bad, right? Let's go.
Let's go!
Hey, what's up everyone? How are you all doing? My hair looks really bad, so I am not confident enough to show my face right now. Alright, so we are going to get a haircut right now, and this is the day 2 of me in Bangalore, and I just unboxed an iPad Pro 12.9 inch, which here is a quick snippet. Thank you. Yeah, that looks dope, right? Video will be up really soon, so be sure to subscribe.
3, 2 I think.
3 बेटा
पापा ने 2 बोला है
3 है बेटा 3
ख्याल
ख्याल नहीं 3 है
3 है पता चल रहा है
पता क्या जा रहा है अभी पता लगेगा
ओ हाँ
Haircut check. Man, I just love this weather. Sheesh.
Hello. Hello everybody.
By the way, his name is Nirmit, alright? He is the one. This is the reason I am here in Bangalore. He is the reason, alright?
Yeah.
Damn. Like, this weather is just so pleasant 24/7. Even when it's sunny, by the way. I just love Bangalore weather a lot. Like, for real. Yep, that's it. It's pretty much it for the day 2, but be sure to subscribe because iPad Pro content and iPad Pro unboxing and a lot of videos related to iPad Pro 12.9 inch M1 will be coming up really soon. So yeah, be sure to click that subscribe button, and peace.